Hey, what's up guys? Today we're going to be replacing the SD slash SIM card tray in a Galaxy S4. So let's go ahead and get started. Take off the back here. Take out the battery. Preferably you want to shut down your phone first, which I've done. You can see this SD card doesn't stay in place. Sorry about that. Had somebody interrupt me. I had this one, the SD card is not staying in place. It doesn't latch. So he's got some tape holding it in. We're just gonna go ahead and replace all that. So take out the SD card, battery, and SIM card. And then we're gonna go ahead and remove all the screws here. All these screws back here, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 screws. Go ahead and remove all those. Okay, so once you got all the screws out, looks like we got them all. Just making sure I didn't miss any. Go ahead and take a small, thin plastic tool, or if you feel comfortable, metal, but plastic's always better so you don't break anything. Go ahead and work your way around the sides here, releasing all the clips, like so. Kind of let the tool do the work for you, so you don't force it too hard. Okay, and once you got all the clips out, you can just kind of wiggle it up, just like so. Oh, that came unplugged. That's our LED light plug right there. That's why you always go slow, just to make sure nothing gets torn or anything like that. You want to plug that back in if that comes undone. This is what we're going to be replacing, this here. That. So this is just held down by adhesive. You want to unplug this right here, this plug, like so, and then go ahead and just go around it, unsticking it from the base here, like that. One sec, I got a customer. Okay, customer come in. Busy day, so go ahead and just continue on releasing these clips here. If you want, you can switch to plastic, just because metal, you know, more aggressive that way. You don't want to break anything. And just inch your way along. Don't want to go too fast here. There we go. Just like that. Let's get our new part out. Make sure our SD card fits in good. Yep, fits good. So, release this backing off the adhesive. And you want to make sure to line this up. I'm going to try and plug this in first and then stick it down so that I know it's lined up perfectly. Okay, so I plugged it in. I'm just going to go ahead and let it down like that. So then when I put my backing on, it should line up perfectly. There's a little adhesive right there I got out of the way. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Don't push too hard because these can break. Always can damage something, so kind of lightly stick it on there. Put your backing back on. And then obviously if it doesn't go down or it's hitting something, it's not lined up. Hold on, I gotta put it on pause. I just had a customer come in. Okay guys, I'm back. So let's continue snapping that backing back on. It's kind of a funny sentence. Alright, so get all that. Okay, so we can put our SIM card back in too now. Fits in good. SD card clicks in perfectly. Put our battery back in. We can test it too now. Sorry guys, another phone call. I'm gonna have to wait till the customer comes to test this fully, but that's pretty much the extent of the fix. I'm gonna go ahead and finish by putting the screws back in now. Okay, that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you learned something. Like, subscribe, do what you need to do. But that's how you do the SIM card tray and SD card in Galaxy S4. Thanks. Boom, baby!